Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's, I'm gonna show how to fix Vcruntime140.dll is missing error in Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 11 or Windows 7. Go to the start menu and open any web browser. In this case I use Google Chrome. Go to google.com and type Vcruntime.dll, download and hit enter. Go to the official site dllfiles.com, one click and scroll down. This is a longer description for this library, and scroll down and select of your architecture of processor. Go to the start menu, right click and select system. In this case my system type is 64 based processor. For me is the second option. If you have 32 processor, select this option. In my case is this option. Click on download and wait a moment. Click on show in folder and right click and select extract here. Move the library or DLL file to desktop. Click on view and mark this option, hidden items, mark this option and right click and select copy the file and go to this PC, your local disk, Windows and browse for System32. Open up this folder, System32, and locate a blank space and click on paste. Click on replace these files any destination and click on continue. And click on try again. And in this case, I have this library in here, in this folder. This file, copy the file successfully and go to copy or move in this location, syswow64. Locate this folder in your local disk or go to this PC, local disk, Windows and browse for syswow64 folder. Open it up and move the file here and click on replace and click on continue. Close this window and to apply the change, restart your computer. Go to the start menu, select the power off button and click on restart. Sorry for the noise in background. Login in your desktop. And you can try run any application. Your problem has been fixed successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.